Good morning, boys and girls. I am in the beautiful, gorgeous town of Hermanus, South Africa. It's about 6 a.m. right now. A local friend told me the best thing to do in this town is the cliff path hike. Looking very stunning. Look at the view. The great thing about this walk, it's right in the middle of the city. This really is the most stunning town park I have ever seen. I mean, look at the view. Stretches more than 10 kilometers, and local residents here use it as a jogging path. I mean, come on, this is so ridiculous, right? This cliff path trail belongs to the Fernkloof Nature Reserve, and they not only manage the cliffside trail here, but also all these mountains behind the town also belongs to this nature reserve. And I think they did a very good job of managing this place. Really awesome. And look at this bay behind me. This bay is the main breeding ground for right southern whales. Now, right southern whales is a quite rare species of whales, and they come to the seaside town of Hermanus to have their babies. So these bays are their nursery. And last year, the town of Hermanus counted more than 300 baby whales. They come to Hermanus to breed from the month of July to November. So you can basically just stand here and all the whales would just be lining up here. It's certainly a sight that I would definitely want to see. The whale comes to Hermanus without fail every year. It got so popular that the town even has a whale festival where they celebrate everything about whale. So for all you whales watcher out there, Hermanus is not to be missed on your destination. I want to live in this house. It has an ocean view and it's right in the middle of this cliff path. This is the most gorgeous house, right, boys and girls? There are more gorgeous houses along this path. I'll show it to you. The thing I like about this seaside place is there are no bars, no commercial area, no shopping malls. Here, it's just super quiet with local residents and not commercialized. Another thing I like about Hermanus is that it's kind of a hidden secret. I don't see any mass tourism. I don't see any overseas tourists either. I think it's only Cape Town people and the Cape people would know about these places. I hope we keep it that way. So it's a hidden secret from the rest of the world.
Maybe I hang around here a little more than I should. We both know I got somewhere else to go, but I got something to tell you that I never thought I would. But I believe you really ought to know. I love you. I honestly love you. You don't have to answer. I see it in your eyes. Baby, it was better left unsaid. This is pure and simple, and you should realize that it's coming from my heart and not my head. this feeling doesn't come along every day, and you shouldn't blow the chance when you've got the chance to say I love you. I love you. I honestly love you. If we both were born in another place and time, this moment might be ending in a kiss. But there you are with yours, and here I am with mine. So I guess we'll just be leaving it at this. I love you. I honestly love you. I honestly love you.